So we have a lot of interesting surgical technology that's incredibly helpful. We have an operating microscope, which is now incredibly high resolution. We can take an area that's 2 or 3 millimeters and blow that up, so that's our entire visual world. We have tiny little micro instruments, we have tiny little microdissectors, we have tiny little manipulators, so we can be extraordinarily gentle with nerve tissue, which is of course what the brain is all about. We have high frequency ultrasound. So many tumors in the brain are stuck to difficult structures, and if you try to pull on the tumor or manipulate the tumor, you can damage a critical structure. Now we can take a tiny little probe, send 10,000 cycles per second of ultrasound into a tumor and shatter it and remove it much like you would take an orange and core the pulp until you only have a little rind left. Then it's very simple to dissect that rind off the critical structures. So another piece of technology that's actually revolutionized surgery and revolutionized outcome. We have virtual reality systems. We can take a patient, put them in the operating room, register the real reality of their head to the virtual reality of an MRI scan on a computer screen, and merge the two together. So then, using a little wand, we can touch any area in the brain and see where we are on the MRI scan with 1 millimeter accuracy. So having this virtual reality system available to us in the surgical suite makes a tremendous difference. Now, after very specialized training and having this type of equipment available here at the Methodist Hospital, we can be extraordinarily precise. Our accuracy is 1 millimeter or less, and this really makes our surgery so much more successful, a lot easier for the patients. We can actually use smaller incisions, just tremendous benefits for patient outcome. We have an incredible training program here. We have one of the top neurosurgical residencies in the country. I had 192 applicants for 2 spots. I had 70 who had 99th percentiles in their boards. So these young men and women are at our sides helping us, and this is a tremendous benefit for patients. There is a doctor who sleeps 100 feet from where you are, who's highly trained, the best of the best, assisting in your care 24/7.